Italy, presented by Lady Caterine Quintero, College un minuto. Ten things you cannot miss when you visit Italy. Number 1. Dinner begins at 7:30 p.m. The Italians don't dine as late as the Spaniards. Number 2. Do not order pizza in Florence. The best is to eat spaghetti with meat at bars, risotto, and a variety of cheese as general food. Italy is divided into 20 regions, and each specializes and sometimes delicious using local ingredients and techniques. Number 3. Don't skip art. It is easy to distort with so much beauty, but it would be a big mistake not to visit the museums. Number 4. Visit the Vatican. Number 5. Cappuccino is not allowed after breakfast. Number 6. It needs more than a day to walk through Venice, one of the most romantic cities on earth. Number 7. You cannot miss a sunset in one of the villages of Tuscany. Number 8. The public baths are plenty and clean. You can use them without pretending you are a customer in a restaurant. Number 9. Italy has more than 300 different grape varieties, even the wines known as Montepulciano, d'Abruzzo, and Vino Nobile di Montepulciano may seem puzzling to you. Number 10. Italians have a lot of personality and are very outgoing, so you can easily establish a relationship with them. This was all, friends. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.